So just all we do is we're gonna start to eat. Ito na ang ating, wow, this one, the trending cheesy spaghetti. Yes, so just all we do is we're gonna eat na tayo. At hinanda ko na ang aking water because you know what is very spicy. I think this one is spicy. On ko lang ang aking ilaw. Yes, ating ilaw. Parang kahit sa dilim, ikay kitang-kita pa rin. Yeah, so we're gonna try. I'm so excited. Wow, imagine that. Para siyang pansi ilulog sa Pilipinas. Alright. First bite para sa iyo ang gabi na to. Yes. We're gonna try. Ating channel, yes, Korean Angel, yes, and of course Venus Diaz, Venus Noches, ang mga Venus Stardust, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Magandang gabi, umaga po sa inyo lahat. Kay ganda po ng umaga, maganda ka pa sa umaga. Yes, alas 2:30 po ng daling araw, so we just get at work. So just all we do is the same time we're gonna grab something to eat, and of course I'm starving. Nagugutom ang ating katawang lupa, so we're gonna go check it out kung ano ang ating makakakain. Yes, kumusta ka bilang isang OFW? Bakit tinawag nga ba OFW ang isang Filipino na nag-abroad? Yes, kasi ikaw ay superhero. Sa kwento ko, ikaw ang bida. Once again, isang mapagpalang araw sa inyo pong lahat. So right now is I'm gonna take you a walk and explore the beautiful ambience right in here, side by side, diba? Napakaganda, and of course, even although madaling araw na, wow, look at that. Is very bright. Hindi yata sila nagtitipid ng kuryente. I think this one is solar, and look at the beautiful flowers from the left side. So punta ako sa aking paboritong inconvenience store. So I want to grab something to eat, even although something noodles or something like with rice. And let's see. Okay? Once again sa inyo pong lahat, thank you po so much. Magandang gabi once again po. And of course, at po ng ating mga job kasawa, di kapon sway mak right in there in Thailand. And of course, right in there sa bansang Bonjour, merci beaucoup in Paris, France. So, andito naman si Korean Angel, gagawa naman ako ng content sa ating kwento. Andun siya, andito ako, syempre. Unang-una, ikaw ang bida sa kwento ko. So, I'm keep walking right in here. So, because merong bukas na like, I think inconvenience store in there, is lagi siyang crowded, like especially in the afternoon. Meron kasi siyang like overview or something like a table and chair. Yet, I want that before at nag-live na rin ako dyan. Yeah, it's really good. I like it, and of course, napakatahimik. But what right now is, nag-grab ako something to eat. But, gusto kong kumain ng milk. Gusto kong minom ng milk, and of course I like yung bagong saing na kanin, and then lalagay mo lang ang milk, okay na sa akin, and konting iodized salt. Wow, at mas masarap. So right now is I'm gonna go in there to let's find out something like mahilig ako sa trending ramen. Lahat ng sadyam yun natikman ko na, but I wanna see. Let's find out. Yes, mabuhay po kayong lahat sa mga nasaktan, nagmahal, hindi problema yan, and of course i-vlog mo na lang yan. Malay mo ikaw ang magiging YouTube sensation. So let's go.
Now, there's nowhere to hide since you put
convenience store at saka yung overview ng andon. Napakaganda kasi ng place. Look at that, side by side. Just all we do is we're gonna go inside. Nagugutom kasi ako. Let's find out what am I going to eat. I think I'm gonna eat something like trending ramen or something. Yes, para later on makapag-live din ako. Wow, it's very warm. It's very cold inside. At napakabango. Wow, it's really good. So there's one like in here. Noodles, that's one I had that before. Let me try that one. Medyo mahal naman yata yun. Let me see. I like something like cheesy. Or hindi ko pa yata nasubukan ito. The one's like more spicy. Oh, this one. Hindi ko pa nasubukan to. So I'm gonna try this one at bayaran natin. Right in here, the trending ramyun, the cheesy like chapageti something. So there's all video we're gonna going home. I wanna stay in here, but like it's so humid and it's a little bit more hot at in the middle of the night. At na-miss ko yung pag-uli ng bahay. Samahan niyo ako sa today ang ating the trending cheesy spaghetti. Yes, I like that. I wanna try that. All kind of noodles habang sa Korea ako kasi pag sa Pilipinas na ako, hindi na ako makakabili ng Korean ramen. No, meron din sa Pilipinas. Hindi rin nagpapauli nga si mga Jobber Gods right in there sa bansang Pilipinas. Kumusta ka po kayong lahat? Andito naman ako. Eto, nagkakalat ng laging. And for siyempre, kahit sa dilim, ikay kitang-kita pa rin. So just all I do is I wanna go home. And of course, this one is first is we're gonna boil water. And we put the water sa ating ramen. And of course, and after that, we're gonna steam like maybe like 1 minute. And we're gonna mix the flavor. So, kaganda ng weather, diba? Kaganda ng weather right now is not so much hot. Yes, it's a little bit like a humid, but it's okay. Tara sa aking bahay, mga kong kaibigan. Mga Jobber got home, sweetie home. We got home right now. So that's all I do right now. Nag-boil ako ng water sa ating magic na kawali. Yes, ang ating today, this one is trending cheesy chapaghetti. Alright, this all I do is we're gonna put the hot water in here. Yes. And we're gonna steam it. And of course, and I thought this one is not really spicy, but it's okay. And meron tayong egg. Egg is rich in protein. And of course, the egg came from chicken. Wow. And they have 3 flavors. Wow, imagine that. It's the flavor, and this one is sesame seed, and this siguro ito yung the spicy one. And we got the chopstick. Medyo mainit ito mga kaibigan. Thank you so much. Maybe shout out to everybody. And of course, this one is I bought this one too. This one is like a 2001 couple days ago. And this one's really boiled egg. Yes. Sa 7-Eleven ko rin din binili. Sa convenience store kasi mahilig ako mag-hang out, mag-chill like in a convenience store. And of course, the cheap one. And of course, they open like 7/24 hours. And this one, imagine that, the egg. Yes, and I have 2 egg. Yes, and of course I'm gonna peel off the skin. Did you like egg? I love egg, and of course egg came from chicken, and the chicken came from the egg. And you know what? Egg is rich in protein. Yes, antioxidant. Yes, and of course anti-deodorant. Yes, para mabango. And of course ang ating katawan, para ikay ay bibilog, just try egg. Yes, and of course this one is all I'm gonna do is right in here. I think the other one side is you need to make a hole like this one, but this one is no need. Meron siyang like this one to throw away the water. So I throw away now the water. Really, this one is easy hack for making instant noodles. So right in here, I was so excited. This one brought to you by this one. Alright, and we're gonna put ang ating flavored. Ito, simple lang. Parang pansit canton sa Pilipinas. Tamis ko rin ng pansit canton. Actually, they have it in here in Korea because we are in here in Korea. Habang andito ako, sinamantala ko na. Ang init mga kaibigan. Ang init, super. But it's okay. Madali na lang ang after like couple, maybe like 4 weeks more, it's a little bit like cool na kasi magsi-September na. At malapit ang Pasko. And then we're gonna add the cheesy flavor. Wow. The other one is like a cheesy flavor, and of course we're gonna mix. And of course, para tayo ay doon na tayo sa loob. Wow, look at this one, mga Jobber Gods. Well, we're gonna mix it. And the cheesy flavor. Wow, it's really good. And I think this one is, I bought like 1,700 won. Yeah, actually, I wanna eat there, but, nakalimutan ko yung payong ko. Nakalimutan ko yung payong ko dito sa 7-Eleven. Sayang naman, but it's okay. And okay, we gotta mix this one. And of course, we gotta put the egg. So, let's go inside. Well, finally mga Jabber Cat is really good. So, eto na. So, just all we do is we're gonna start to eat. Eto na ang ating, wow, this one, the trending cheesy spaghetti. Yes, so just all we do is we're gonna eat na tayo. At hinanda ko na ang aking water. Because you know what is very spicy. I think this one is spicy. On ko lang ang aking ilaw. Yes, ating ilaw. Parang kahit sa dilim, ikay kitang-kita pa rin. Yeah, so we're gonna try. I'm so excited. Imagine that. Para siyang pansi ilulog sa Pilipinas. Alright. First bite para sa iyo ang gabi na to. Yes. We're gonna try. Dahil mahilig ako sa noodles, eto. Cheesy spaghetti. Medyo mainit-init pa rin. And of course, I turn off the electric pan kasi pangit sa audio. Masyadong mahangin. Wow. So much delicious. Wow. So much delicious. And guess what? Hindi siya manghang. Wow. Oh. Wow. Oh, it's so yummy. At napasarap. Guess what? With the matching egg. I know the egg, it was so juicy. And look at that red. Wow. Wow. One more bite para sa'yo. It's so delicious. And siyempre, we need the water. And you know what, mga Jabber Cat, it's not spicy. Tamang-tama ito. Pwede kay lolo, pwede kay lola, pwede kay bunso. Yes, pwede rin sa may ngipin o wala. Wow, it's really good. It was so tender, and of course with the egg. Wow. At hindi siya spicy. And affordable pa. It was so yummy. Pinawisan ako. Alright mga Jabber Cat, thank you. We need the water. Nakaraos na ang ating midnight snack, ang ating dinner for today. Well, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. This is your Korean Angel, never charge your mind. So, ladies and gentlemen, the trending cheesy spaghetti right in here in Korea. Subscribe, leave comment down below. Mula sa bansang Korea, siyempre andito tayo sa Korea, samantalang ko na. And of course, the noodles. Trending noodles right in here in Korea. Subscribe, leave comment down below for our way 300,000K. Salamat po sa inyong lahat and mabuhay. I love you all.